The Intersection of Drones and Tourism in Rwanda. A New Perspective. By Marcin Frakovich. The Intersection of Drones and Tourism in Rwanda. A New Perspective. The benefits of using drones in Rwanda tourism industry. The use of drones in the tourism industry is becoming increasingly popular in many countries around the world. Rwanda, a small landlocked country in East Africa, is no exception. With its stunning landscapes, diverse wildlife, and rich cultural heritage, Rwanda has been attracting tourists from all over the globe. Now, the intersection of drones and tourism in Rwanda is offering a new perspective on how to enhance the visitor experience and promote sustainable tourism. One of the key benefits of using drones in Rwanda tourism industry is the ability to capture breathtaking aerial footage of the country's natural wonders. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can provide a unique perspective that was previously only possible from helicopters or airplanes. This allows tourists to see Rwanda iconic landmarks, such as the Volcanoes National Park or Lake Kivu, from a whole new angle. The stunning visuals captured by drones can be used in promotional materials, travel documentaries, or even virtual reality experiences, enticing more tourists to visit Rwanda. Moreover, drones can also be used for wildlife conservation and research purposes in Rwanda. The country is home to a wide range of endangered species, including mountain gorillas, golden monkeys, and various bird species. Drones can be used to monitor and track these animals, helping researchers gather valuable data on their behavior, population size, and habitat conditions. This information is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies and ensuring the long-term survival of these species. Additionally, drones can be used to detect and prevent illegal activities, such as poaching or deforestation, by providing real-time surveillance in remote areas that are difficult to access by foot. In addition to their role in conservation efforts, drones can also enhance the safety and security of tourists in Rwanda. By conducting aerial surveillance, drones can help monitor tourist sites, national parks, and other popular destinations, ensuring the well-being of visitors. They can also be used to assess the condition of infrastructure, such as roads or bridges, and identify potential hazards that may pose a risk to tourists. This proactive approach to safety management can help prevent accidents and provide peace of mind to both tourists and local authorities. Furthermore, the use of drones in Rwanda tourism industry can contribute to the country's economic development. By embracing drone technology, Rwanda can position itself as a leader in innovative and sustainable tourism practices. This can attract investment, create job opportunities, and stimulate economic growth in sectors related to drone manufacturing, maintenance, and operation. Additionally, the use of drones can improve operational efficiency in the tourism industry by reducing costs and increasing productivity. For example, drones can be used for aerial surveys of potential tourist sites, allowing developers to make informed decisions about infrastructure development and resource allocation. In conclusion, the intersection of drones and tourism in Rwanda offers a new perspective on how to enhance the visitor experience and promote sustainable tourism. The use of drones in capturing aerial footage, wildlife conservation, safety and security, and economic development can revolutionize the way tourists perceive and engage with Rwanda's natural and cultural heritage. As the country continues to embrace drone technology, it has the potential to become a global leader in responsible and innovative tourism practices. By harnessing the power of drones, Rwanda can create a unique and unforgettable experience for tourists while preserving its natural resources for future generations.